What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today is just gonna be a real quick video. I went to Walmart and I've seen a lot of stuff about these little universal antennas. So I picked one up at Walmart and I'm gonna replace mine because it's bent, just kind of looks ugly. It's like 4 different colors right now, but I figured I'd try to slap this on, see what it does. I never really listen to the radio much, so I don't really care about if it makes my reception bad. Either way, it's probably gonna be a win-win for me, but I'll test the radio reception, see if this makes it better or worse. I won't be able to play probably some of the radio stations I get because I don't want to get copyrighted, so maybe I can get onto it where it's like part of a where they're just talking or something. Hopefully I can try to do that and show you guys. But so let's go in the truck, see what the radio sounds like now, and then we'll put this on and see what happens. All right, so here on the truck, go ahead and put it on radio. Hurry up and, oh, that's music. I believe that's music as well. That is also music. That is also music. See if I can find something that's not talking. There we go.
6010 or go to wegrowhair.com. All they do is hair, and they are the very best at it. Visit wegrowhair.com today.
So that sounds pretty clear. So let's turn that back down. So it sounds pretty clear. I don't know how good that channel gets normally. I don't know if I've ever listened to this channel before, but I'll plop this on and see if it's better or worse. So let's get to it. All right, so here's everything it comes with. I was actually kind of surprised. I thought all this was plastic. It's not. It's actual. It's metal. So I was pretty happy about that. Here's a little antenna. I think this thing was like 20 bucks. So I mean, it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but I think it'll look a lot better like that instead of that big old bent thing. Maybe when I lift it, I'll probably get another antenna like this, just because I've heard they're better for like if you're going into a parking garage or something. I've heard they're better, and you know, hit the top of your truck, it'll hit the antenna first, but I'm not there yet. So right now this will do just fine. So it comes with all this stuff. I gotta find the adapter, and I mean, install and disassembly is a breeze. Hey, it might be a direct fit. Alright, well, I mean, I guess that's it. Obviously, for whatever car you have, you'll need to get a different extension, but that just went straight on. You're probably supposed to have to put this on, so I might have to take it off and put this back on. But before I do that, let's hop in the truck, see if it made anything work. All right, so I'm gonna come in here and test this out. So we are same station. Oh yeah. See if maybe moving back a little bit helps.
I have no idea. I'm concentrating on things. You're talking.
Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much like I knew it would be. I know these shorty antennas get pretty bad reception, but honestly, I didn't buy it for reception. Like I said before, I don't listen much to the radio. I listen to my phone and everything, and if I ever listen to the radio, it's radio off my phone. I mean, I just mainly bought it for the looks. I think it looks a lot better than, you know, you just get this little stubby guy there instead of this one that sticks way up, and I mean, mine's bent. If this was not ugly, I probably wouldn't care. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'll still keep it, but I mean, I just think that looks a lot better, especially for the look I'm kind of going with the truck. Can't get over that grill. Still so happy with that, but I don't know, I just think that looks a lot better. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Just kind of wanted to show you guys that little proof on these, because there are people back and forth everywhere that say one thing or the other to everybody else. So I'm just kind of here to prove that. And that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you have any comments, as always, send them down below. Like this video if you like this. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I think I'm getting the swing of this pretty good little bit. But let me know down in the comments how you think I'm doing, and about, you know, everything I'm doing to the truck, my ideas. You've heard a little bit if you watch some of my older videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.